Y'all, I'm sitting here editing. All I hear is horn blowing, horn blowing. He done backed into the man truck. I need to take my break. These people going crazy. And what does that sign say? No trucks. Stop. Like, just to adventure off and be around regular everyday people besides truckers. Ain't nothing wrong with the truckers, but sometimes, you know, you got to get away from the truckers. Hey, what is up, Slimepack Nation? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another trucking vlog. Listen, we're going to go ahead and speed through the details of this load. And after that, we're going to get off this truck and go have some fun. So in my last video, I ended that video off with making my way over here to the location where I'm at now. I am in Russellville, Arkansas. I'm doing a drop and hook at my pickup location. Alright, y'all, I know this video is everywhere. I've been ripping and running and ripping all day. So I'm at the next location, and I think the load is ready. I'm not sure, but I only got 50 minutes left on my clock. Like, that's it. So I told them, look, I'm gonna just drop my trailer and I'll be back to pick up my loaded trailer. More than likely, I'm gonna just park at this pallet that's like a half a mile down the road. No empty spots. We might have just put this right here. It's a yard guy right there. Let me see if he has something to say. Hopefully he won't. But them yard jockeys, boy, they be acting like they the king of the drop yard. Dang, I forgot them channels all the way to the back. That's why my jump not lining up right. Oh yeah, y'all, we getting up out of here. I'm ready to get me a break. I can tell whenever, like, I'm tired because my voice is leaving. And it ain't like I've been talking all day. It's just, that's what happens. I need to take my break.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
We had one guy come in last night. He had to come in the morning. His load wasn't ready. That's why I was
Man, my appointment not until some 6 o'clock tonight.
Yeah, I wouldn't be stuck here, but I didn't have to be.
Yep.
All right. We'll see you tomorrow, then.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Cool security guy. And currently I'm parked at the Pilot, which is only like a half a mile down the road. My appointment time is not until 6 p.m. tonight. I dropped my empty trailer off last night around, I think it was 1 a.m. and I came over here to do my little break. Now, my 10-hour break was over with at 11 a.m. but I only got 6 hours on my 70 clock. So I'm like, why would I hurry up and go over there, get the load, run a little bit, just to have to sit down and wait till after 12 o'clock to get hours back? So for my non-truckers, how can I break this down for y'all? When your hours are low, we run on recap. So after midnight, we'll get hours back that we ran that same day from the previous week. If that makes sense. If it don't make sense, I'm sorry. So tonight after 12 a.m., which will be tomorrow, I get like 4 hours and 30 minutes back. So I plan on starting my shift tonight around maybe 9. so I could be able to run all the way through without having to wait for hours to come back. But we wind back to the details of this load. It's a drop and hook at the pickup location and a drop and hook at the drop off location for a total of 660 miles, paying $1,220. I can drop this load off 24 hours early if I want to. I'm glad my fleet manager gave me a load like this because it's not a rush. Now I could get it there early if I want to, but it's not a rush because the load ain't due until Sunday. But remember, I can drop it off a whole day early. So yeah, that's the details of this load. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and let's get off this truck, y'all. I want to walk over towards the area, but I need to get a better look to see how far that distance is. And what does that sign say? No trucks. For the people that got pets on their trucks, pretty good right there. Come get these dogs clean. Clean these dogs. Yeah, I'm in Belts and they got them sales going on. What they say down there? $10.94, $6.94. Some stuff all the way down there. $2.94, $3.94. I kind of like this shirt right here. Kinda. But it ain't nothing like, it ain't no wow. As y'all can see, I'm back at Mr. Pete. I would say today was a fail, but it wasn't really a fail. I bought 2 outfits, I got some other things, and took myself out to eat. But most of all, I was able to get away from the truck stop, like just to adventure off and be around regular everyday people besides truckers. Ain't nothing wrong with the truckers, but sometimes, you know, you got to get away from the truckers. I'm getting ready to get in my truck, get some sleep, and start back driving around 9 or 10 tonight and try to push it as far as I can with the amount of hours that I'm going to have, which should be somewhere around 11 hours. So yeah, it's currently like 3 p.m. So I'm going to just relax, get me some sleep, and I'll check back in with y'all tonight. I don't need no fuel or none of that, so whenever I check in, we should be back over there at the shipper. So I am up and ready to go. Pre-trip is done, everything looking good, sounding good. So we should be good and running. I'm gonna have to settle with some Pilot coffee for a little bit. I ain't had coffee since yesterday. Once 12 a.m. hit, it will be considered 2 days since I had coffee. So, pretty good. Now I'm getting ready to pull up over here to the fuel island because these windows is filthy. Clean these off, run in to get me some ice, coffee, and I think I want an orange juice. Like, y'all, look how filthy these windows are. I'm gonna pick up my load. You gonna pick up your load? Yeah. Alright, let's see if we can get you to get your load. Alright. Well, you don't got a trailer, so go on in. Thank you. You're welcome. I'll see you when you leave. Alright. Oh, yeah, it's excited. Let's go check in. Don't forget to always bring your own pen when you check in. It's okay if you forget it now and then, but try to always bring it. Nah, I ain't supposed to.
You should smell like in the hallway area.
Can't be smelling like these truckers.
Listen, they be stinking, man. Look, I come prepared.
You got the.
Hey. Like a wedge, man. I don't know what it is you wearing, but ooh-wee, I like it.
Thank you. Thought it was like I smell so good. I'm telling y'all. I got my own mixture. Y'all want to know what's crazy? I literally just passed the trailer that I picked up in North Carolina last week. Like, what you doing all the way in Arkansas? Like, that's crazy. I think I dropped that trailer either in Iowa, if I'm not mistaken. U6342, right there. That perfect. Tug test. Of course, it's getting ready to get loud out here, so I might, you know, throw on a little jam for y'all while I hook up and connect. Seal number 278. So I just slid the tandems, but this scale, it requires calibration, so I don't know where I'm at the back. And I know for sure, I know I'm not that. So I'm just leaving that shipper, about to go back over here to this pilot so I can check on my weights. I know I'm good weight-wise, but I need to make sure I'm good on those trailer axles. And I might as well calibrate it for the next person since I'm about to go weigh it. I don't know why the other driver didn't do it. Maybe they don't know how to do it, but it's real simple. This feels about like 40,000 pounds. Alright, let's see what we is. Ooh, wee! I know I'm in the 6 hole, so I'm probably gonna have to put this in the 9th. I'm gonna pull up over here on the side and slide it. Either the 9th or 10th, I should be good. So I got it in the 10th hole. We're gonna see what that's working with. I felt like the 9th could be a hit or a miss, but I know for sure the 10th hole, that's gonna be it. So now I gotta leave out, get back on the scale. And yes, you have to pay to re-weigh for the non-truckers. I think it's like $4.75. I think 4 or 5. One of them. That right there was smart marketing. On the side of that Ashley Furniture building, they got truck mattress in stock. Like they know truck is coming out on this end. I came up a little bit short on that turn, but we good. Whenever I stop on the scale, I have my brake pressure at like between 9 and 11. Well, Slime Pack Nation, I feel good. I'm back and better than ever. I shut down last night for me a little 2-hour nap. Well, this morning I shut down at like 4:30. It is currently 6:42 a.m. I'm getting ready to head back down the road. I do have a Love's in my stop that's like 297 miles down the road, but I'm not sure if I want to drive that much longer. Yeah. I do got 6 hours left of drive time and only 6 hours left on my 70. I would have had more drive time. Would I? I don't know. But my recal's coming back after midnight tonight. We strong. Whenever I shut down, I'ma just chill, relax, get some work done. Yeah, I really want to make it to this Lowe's that I got in my stop for one certain reason. That's all, just one certain reason. If I make it there, y'all see. If I don't make it there, maybe I'll tell y'all. Alright, y'all, so I need to fuel up. These people going crazy. But yeah, I'm probably about to get like 50 gallons. So this right here is my cheapest stop until I think the TA in Effingham, Illinois is a little bit cheaper than here, but I need fuel now. Went over, but it'll be all right. It's gonna get used. I know any other trucker that don't drive reefer hate getting fuel behind us reefer drivers, because it's like, dang, is they about to move? But then we don't move. We stop to put fuel in the trailer. Dang, is this gonna reach? What you looking at? So y'all, I'm parked at the Loves that I wanted to park at. I had to push myself to drive as many more miles as I did. I wanted to be lazy, but y'all gonna see why I pushed myself here. Do y'all see what I see? Let's go. Ain't no better feeling parking when you done for the day, knowing you about to eat good. Naf naf, it's been so long. Here I come. Y'all, I promise you I can name all the locations that the Loves have a naf naf. Can I get the plate with chicken shawarma and steak with yellow rice? Nah. They being stingy with the rice today. Gotta get this sauce right here. Get that sauce. Can I get garlic sauce? Can I get extra of it? None of that, none of that, none of that. Can you put more garlic sauce? And the skunk sauce. That'll be all. That's good right there. About to eat so good, y'all. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. All right, y'all. Lunch was good. Sorry about this wind noise, but what was I saying before? Oh yeah, I can name just about every Loves with a naf naf. First, we got this one. We in Greenup, Illinois. If y'all can see that, I'm right off 70, and then of course Gary, Indiana. Now that's my favorite. And then there's one off of 64 in Virginia. I think it's something with Greenville, something like that. And then there's another one in Morris, Illinois, and that one is right off of 80. And then Tennessee, that one right off 65, and that's like 60 miles away from Horse Cave, Kentucky. And is there more? I'm trying to think, did I miss any? But usually those are the ones I go to. Now they do have other ones, plenty other ones, but I'm just naming the ones that's at the Loves location. Right now I'm getting ready to walk over here to this Dollar General, grab some stuff, because I'm finna get ready to deep clean my truck. So far I got me some more cereals, and I got a rug. They actually got a deal on these rugs, 50% off. I'm back on the truck, and this right here is everything that I got. I'm gonna do laundry after I get done cleaning up. So also this rug, I got this rug too. Pretty long rug. Y'all, I'm sitting here editing, all I hear is horn blowing, horn blowing. He done backed into the man truck. He already done blew the horn one time and warned them. But now, he didn't hit it.